Also, my dad and my brother go at the basketball court. Sometimes. They always go there.
Now vlog. We're vlogging. But I do want to meal prep. I want to meal prep for like 2 weeks and see what happens. Hey guys, good morning. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new to my channel. Today I'm gonna be going to the gym. Like, I'm literally at the gym right now. I'm in my workout attire, but most importantly I want to come home today and do some cleaning. Like, not deep clean, maybe like a surface clean, because it's been piling up. And I just want to like take care of Cassidy's hair today. So I'm at the gym. Outside the gym, I'm gonna run inside because I'm like 5 minutes late. Plus I need to fill up my water bottle because I didn't do that at home.
I like to say, what if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish? Then I might be on to something. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds, fuck it. Something you gotta get into. Same first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and
Guys, I forgot my shoes at home because I was rushing. So I'm wearing these until I can take them off. Depends on the exercise, I'll take them off. This always happens to me.
like dessert too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, he's too. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose.
Go Sharon, go Sharon, go Sharon. Legs, legs, legs. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get home. Take a shower and start Cassidy's hair, guys. Actually, we might go and see Sandy today, so I'll keep you guys posted about that. We gotta go see the baby. Guys, check out her vlog, her birth vlog. It's so emotional, it's gonna make you guys want to cry, 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 cry. My trainer was in here. Okay guys, so I'm eating my overnight food. This is what I made for dinner last night. Rice, stewed chicken, and then I have some kale in here. Honestly, I haven't been eating like healthy. I just eat whatever I want, but I do make sure I go to the gym 3 days a week. So that's, you know, kind of like balancing myself out. But I do want to meal prep. I want to meal prep for like 2 weeks and see what happens. I think that'll be like one of my next videos. You guys will see that like next month. Sorry. So we're gonna be using, what is this? This is Cream of Nature's Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In. It makes Cassidy's hair really soft and manageable, right? So that it doesn't hurt.
Yes, it won't hurt. I'm gonna do shiny bumps. Yeah, shiny bumps. But also, my dad and my brother go at the basketball court. Sometimes. They always go there. And I'm doing shiny bumps, but yeah.
We might not do shiny bumps today though.
No, I want to do it.
Why?
Because I like shiny bumps. And I look crazy right now, but and after I'm going to look good.
You look crazy right now?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think you look beautiful.
This is my mom, and I have a brother, but my mom doesn't have like one kid. She has 2 kids. But Mike is my brother, and my dad is my dad, and this is my mom.
Okay, let's go get you dressed.
Bye. Bye-bye. I'm watching it show on my mom. You watch with me? The camera.
It tastes amazing. All right, guys. What would you like to eat?
You look so cute, girl. Hey, go Cassie. Go Cassie. Go Cassie. Hey.
Where's my...
I love it, girl. You look so beautiful. Hey. Hey. You are so cute.
I want to see the video.
You guys just saw me doing Cassidy's hair. I quickly just tidied up the house. It wasn't like a deep clean, just a little brush up. Yeah, so I just picked up some laundry. Like, laundry is like a daily thing for me. It never ends, truly never ends. Yeah, I still had to go put some in the wash. And yeah, it was a little tidy that I did. I didn't even sweep everywhere, and I do need to wipe the floors, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow or another day. And I also just finished my niece's hair. Well, I didn't finish it, I just washed it, detangled it, and blow dried it. I gave her some big plaits so that it doesn't get matted. That's my niece. Tay, you're hungry? Okay, she said she's hungry. We're actually going to Sandy's house right now. We're gonna go see the baby. I'm gonna also get Starbucks. I feel for a Starbucks drink, and I might even get a burrito bowl.
I want Starbucks.
You want Starbucks? What do you get from Starbucks, Tay?
Mommy, I want a cake pop.
You want a cake pop?
I want a cake pop too.
Micah is at the basketball court with Daddy. So Kamar brings him now. He's old enough so he can hang. You know, he can hang out with the big guys and, you know, shoot around and stuff. So that's what he's doing. I'm probably gonna just change my top and my shorts, put on something just as casual as this, and then we are getting out of here, guys. I'm back inside. It's like time. I really need to wind down. I feel so full. I didn't show you guys, but I had a burrito bowl from Mucho Burrito and I had a venti size iced white chocolate mocha from Starbucks. So my belly is busting right now. So I'm gonna use this time to like edit this vlog. I'm gonna do some folding as well before that. It's not a lot. And to be honest, like, I don't mind laundry. I enjoy laundry. I just use that time to like listen to podcasts or watch YouTube videos. Like, my mind is not even focused on the clothes. It's just focused on whatever topic I'm listening to or whatever I'm watching. And I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope I had enough content for you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy them. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also do hair videos, so I love to transform what I got working with here into something fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Yeah, as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.